Hello everyone, this is Engineer Hussam and today I'm going to show you several examples. Okay, you will be given with regard to dimension lecture. Okay, so you will be given something like this. You will be given 3D model, isometric view, has dimension on it in order to let you able to draw it. Okay, any kind of these. What I want you to do is draw orthographic projection. Okay, draw for me orthographic projection, and after you draw the orthographic projection, I want you to apply dimension on each view. Okay, so what you are going to do, I will start with something easy little bit. Okay, I can start with this one. This look easy. All of them easy, but to save time, I will do a couple of them. I will teach you how to do it. Okay. So, let's say I will make zoom out. Okay, I want to draw orthographic projection, top view, front view, and right side view for the given part, and then I will apply the necessary dimension on it. Okay, I will apply the necessary dimension. First of all, what's the total length of the part? We have to look to this number. Okay, 100, the total length, which is from this edge to this edge. Okay, so I will start with my front view. My front view will be here in this area, then top, then right side view. Okay, so I'll start with front view. I have to draw 100. Okay, so this is 100. Okay, so this is my 100, as you can see, from here to here, 100. Okay, then I will go to this dimension, which is 63 from this corner to this edge, 63, and the height is 6 for the cut from inside. Okay, so I will go 63 as you can see, from here (63). Okay, and this 63 has height of 6, so I will draw 6 from each side. I just want to remind you that this task is required in order to apply dimensions. Okay, then I will go to this value. Okay, this value is 19. Okay, so I will draw from here 19. Okay, until the end here. Okay, and as you know, I have to connect from here to here, but you have to understand that this is the part that is going to be removed. I will make zoom. Okay, so below this one we have to remove all the area here. Okay, this is unwanted part. Okay, طيب. Okay, now we look to the object, we draw this 6, and the value above this one is 13. So from here to here is 13. Okay, so I will go up from here 13. Okay, so 6 plus 13 is 19, which is this one here, 19, and here is 10. I don't want to apply dimension now because there is a proper way to apply dimension. I will show it to you later. Okay, and then I have to continue drawing the part. The part has 19 and another 19. So from the bottom to the center of the first slot 19, and then between center to center also 19. Okay, and as you can see here, it's not given. It is given. This 19 is radius. That's mean the distance between here to the center also 19, and from here to here 19. So this value from here to here 19, and from here to here 19. So 19 plus 19. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is connect line here like this. Okay, and then I will draw 19 here, and then I will draw 19 plus 19. So this is my 19. Okay, and I have to put a mark, and then I have another 19, and then mark, and then the radius will be also 19. Okay, so from here, as we said, we draw 19, and then from here I will draw also 19. Okay, so above also 19, and here 19. And don't forget to draw thin construction lines like this. Only this will help you to determine the centers of the slot. And here we also need perpendicular. If you are not sure how to draw perpendicular line, you have to use a triangle. Okay, so put it like this. If you put it here, as you can notice, there is a radius here, will prevent you from being accurate. It's okay, you can put it in the below one, and then you can draw the perpendicular from here to here, like this. Okay. Okay. Now, as we said, we have to open the compass N19. So from here to here, we will double check if this is 19. Yes. Okay. Okay. And here, as we said, 19. The depth is 19. The slot is not given. What's the width of the slot? Each one. This one, the width of the slot itself, it's not given. So we can understand it's 19, but the slot itself, I don't have the measurement for it. So I will open the compass, because the first one, see here, so move it back, see here, from here to here, it's the same that from here to here, and then from here to here another 19, so from here to here and another 19. Okay, then we have to draw the slot itself because we have two centers, this one and this one, but unfortunately it's not mentioned, so let's assume it is let's assume it's 7. I have to open it. I will draw radius from here to here, and radius from here to here. Okay, and then you have to connect this radius and connect this. Okay, now you draw like this. At the end tangent, as you can see tangent, you have to connect it with this line. Okay, so we will connect this vertex with this line here as a tangent. Okay, now we get the front view. Okay, here we have counter bore. I can take the measurement from the top view. Okay, now I will draw extension line to the top, extension line. Okay, and I will draw extension line, construction line, not extension line, construction line. There is the difference between extension line and construction line. Extension line used for dimensions, when you apply dimension. Construction line used to build or help you to build top view, front view, and right side view. Okay, so as an example, I will choose a distance from the top view to the front view. I will start here, my top view. Okay, the total depth of the top view is 45. Let me check. Okay, from here to here is 45. So I will, if I start here also, it will be enough. So I will start it here. Yes. Okay, so this is my 45 from this point to this point. Okay, let's say I want to make it lower a little bit. I will start here and here. Okay, so what's the total distance from here to here? Is at 95. So I will go from here like this. Okay, so this is my top view. Okay, so as starting for the top view, you have to understand that the total depth is 45. So I will draw the complete 45 one time. So from here, okay, and from here to here is my 45, and then I will connect it like this. Okay, so I have this one. Now what's the width of this pocket or of this extrusion? Is 19. So I have to go from here to here 19. Okay, what's the total width? This is the depth and this is the width. Here it is. So I have already mentioned construction line. So all I have to do, because my front view helped me a lot, I draw from here 19 and I draw from here 19, and then I will connect them. Okay, and then what's the total? See, this rib has 10, so I will draw from here 10, and I will draw from here 10. Okay, and then I will connect it. Okay, and as you can see, this is what I'm going to see from the top view. Okay, Don't forget to add the counter bore, this hole, it will be located here somewhere. Okay, let's check the distance. From here to the center 19, so I will go 19. Most of the dimensions here 19. Okay, and I will go 19 also here. So I will draw like this line, and I will draw like this line. Okay, now the diameter, we have 20, we have 10, 20 and 10. Okay. In order to draw the 10, you have to open the compass at 5. Because 5 is the radius. Okay? In order to draw 20, you have to open the compass at 10. Okay. Okay, so this is my circle. Now then I can use this circle, extend it here down, using construction lines, as we said before, construction line, construction line, construction line. Now we need to know the depth of the hole. This hole, 20, 10, the depth of the counterbore, 6. Okay, we will go down 6. And the rest is down. Okay. So this is my drawing. Don't forget to add place for the slot here. By the way, the reason I draw this visible line instead of hidden lines, because I want to add section view here. Okay, I want to add broken out section. If I don't want to add broken out section, this has to be hidden lines. Okay, here in the top of view, I will keep it as hidden lines. In the middle, I have to add center line, and also here. And also here. Okay. Now, how to draw short break line. and section view, it is easy. You have to do like this. See, you have to come at the area that you want to cut and draw freehand sketch like this, or even it's not need to be organized like this, it also will be fine. Okay, and this one has to be thick because it has to be shown as broken. Okay, and then inside here you have to draw section lines. The way to draw section lines, keep distance 0.5 and at 0.5 you can bring the 45-degree triangle and then draw 45 and then move it 45, move it. Okay, now here also we need to identify place for the section. Let's say I am here, so this is section view. Okay, and here you can draw right side view. The reason this drawing took time because I am trying to be precise as much as possible. I will try to draw from here .45 here's my meter line, and then I will draw okay. How is my drawing will look like from the side? I have to draw these construction lines will help me, and these construction lines will help me, and I will draw this construction lines vertical down, and I will draw this one vertical down. Okay, so this is my 19 and this is my 10. So I will draw one line for the 19 and one line for the 10. It will start from the tangent. Okay, like this. But it should end at the radius here, somewhere here at the tangent radius. Okay, here there is nothing, so this is my drawing. Okay, we forget to add radius from the top at 19 here. So we set from here to here 19 and 19, and the radius also has to be at 19. So this is my drawing will be in here. Okay, like this. This is my top of view. Okay, so this is my part. I'll try here to make it also thick. Okay, so this is my part. Now I will apply dimension. As you can see, you can take from here the hidden line, and from here you can take the whole. I will not show this one here. Okay, now the way to apply dimension for this drawing. Okay, we have to apply dimension for the total length, overall, width, depth and height. Okay, here. And then you have to take dimension to this part down, arrowhead. Okay, then we have to take dimension for the total height. Not necessary the dimension that show in the drawing, you do it in the same arrangement. You can create your own dimensions, but it's important to keep the information that you need clear. Okay, so from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and like this. You will have one arrow here, one line here, and one line here. It has to be grouped, aligned, grouped like this. Okay, and then we will draw as an example 19, and this value was 13. Okay, if you draw from here to here 19, then you don't need to draw this value from here to down, or this value 6. Okay, because this will be extra dimension, repeated dimension. So let's say I want to add this dimension to this view here. Okay, 19. So I don't need to add here 19 or here 6. For this counterboard, there is a way to make dimension for counterboard. It's like this. You have to use incline leader from 30 to 60, okay, sometimes 45, make horizontal, and then start with the small diameter. Phi, what was the small diameter? 10. Depth, phi 10 through, because it's all the way through. And then counterbore, phi 20, depth 6. That means this value from here to here is 6. This value from here to here is 20. This value from here to here 10, and this 10 is all the way through. Okay, then you can add this value, the rep, from here to here, which is 10. There is, by the way, two alignment for numbers. There is this one, it's called aligned, and then unidirectional. If you start with one, I will show you in details in the lecture. Okay, if you start with one of them, you cannot use both of them in the same drawing. As an example, now I am aligning the dimension like this, vertical. Okay, so you cannot draw the dimension normal to the view of production, to the view with these verticals, unless you are drawing the dimension for horizontal, which in this case you can. Okay, so this one is 100. This value here, we are giving here 63. Okay, so in order to get the total, so as you can see, this is complete dimension. I have the total height, the total width, the total depth. The height of the base is 19. Okay, then for this extrusion, the depth is 19, and from bottom 13, and you have to go another 19 in order to draw the center. And here R we said 8. Okay, and then another 19, and then this one also the same. If you have similar, you can do 2 multiplied by R8, 8. Okay, okay, this is 19. You don't have to repeat dimension. As an example, this here is the same as this one, 19. Can you see? It's moved from here, it moved down. You cannot repeat dimension. This one 10 is not mentioned here because I already mentioned. This is the center of the part. By the way, you have to use extension line until the center, like this. Okay? Center. Everything is given. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. This is what I want you to understand, how to draw orthographic projection from a given isometric view and apply the dimension on it. This is the task. Okay, all of them, if you look to them, all of them are easy if you have the information. How to draw orthographic projection for the given part in order to apply dimension on it. Okay, so we have to draw top of view, front of view, right side, and apply dimension. In this case, this will be from here, will be my front view. Okay, so if I put the part like this, okay, if I put the part like this, okay, I will go a little bit back in order to show the front view. Okay, I will draw front view and top view. I will check if I need the right side view. Okay, so starting with the total width is 60, so I will start from the bottom of the drawing. Bottom of this drawing, and I will draw 60. Okay, so here I will draw a line, straight line like this, straight line, and I will take 60 out of it. Okay, okay, now what's the height? The height is 20 plus 55. 20 plus 55. So I will go, the first, I will draw perpendicular line. As I told you before, in order to draw perpendicular line, you have to use the triangle. So you can make sure that you are drawing perpendicular line by using triangle. Okay, so now this is 20. Here is my first 20, and from the other side, from the same side also 55. So 55. So the first one is 20. Do little mark. Okay, and then 55. 20 and 55, and then 20 and 55, and then we'll go from here to here 45. So I will go from here to here 45, okay, and from the other side as you can see 60, okay, and then I will connect only, so I don't need angle. Okay, so I will draw 60 from here, okay, and then we will connect. Okay, so as you can see 20, 40, we don't have the dimension from here to here, but I will assume it's 10, because if you notice, if you continue until the middle here, this will be exactly middle of the drawing. Okay, so I will assume this is, they forget to mention it here in the drawing, but this is 10, so I need to draw 40, 10, and the value from here is 60 minus 40, 20, so 10 from here and 10 from here, so I will go 10, 10, and I will draw 40, and I will go back 10. Okay, so here's my drawing. I will go 10 from here, 10 from here, I will go outside, up 10 until here, and also another 10 like this. Okay, then I will connect. Okay, you can erase these lines. That's why the reason, don't try to draw visible line, try all the time to use construction lines, okay, because this line is not part of the object. Okay, now we said here we have 20, as you can notice, at the 20 we have to draw a line at the end. Okay, from the other side also 20, in order to be accurate, because if I don't mark from both sides, maybe you will put the ruler like this, or like this, or like this, or like this, you are not sure. Okay, okay, now this is 20, here is the drawing, here is the part 55, and they don't give us also the center. Here I will assume it is on the center, it is not in the center, because here is the center. I don't know why they forget to give the dimensions here. I will draw at 30. I will draw a horizontal vertical line, and then this at 30 also from here, from down I will draw a circle. The diameter of the circle is 20, that means you have to open the compass at 10. The easiest way to do this is to bring the compass, put the compass at 10 as a radius, okay, because when you draw a circle it will be 20. Okay, then put it here and then draw your circle. Okay, now at the same here they are mentioning you have 10 at the same center. See, same center, 10. Okay, so I will use this center and I will draw to the right 5 and to the left 5. Okay, and I will do the same up in order to get vertical line, right, 5, 5, and then I will connect like this between them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, this is hidden line because I cannot see the hole from this view. Now I'll draw the top view, draw construction line, draw construction line, start from here. What's the total? 40. What's this value? 40. Connect. Here is the top view. This one is 15, so I will go 15 from here. and I will go 15 from here. I will draw this line thick. I will draw this line thick. Don't forget to add this. Sorry. Don't forget to add this line. Can you see this line here? This line. Don't forget to add this vertex here. Extend it up, so it will be like this here line. Okay. So here is my drawing. I can add a hidden line for the circle here, like this in the top of view, if you want to be precise, and center line, of course, the one. Okay, and also for this circle, in the top here, they are giving you dimension. They are saying it's 12.5 from this edge. Okay, so I will go from this edge 12.5. This is 10, 11, 12 and a half. Yeah, somewhere here. Okay, I will draw thin construction lines, try to be horizontal, and then I will connect it with this one here because they are in the same center. Okay, then I will draw my circle. As we know, this is the radius because it will be from here to here. Okay, the total, but I will not draw it on this view. I'm just taking the measurement. I'll draw it in the top, of course. Okay. Can you see anything? Okay, wait. Okay. Now I will draw the right side view. Why do I need the right side view? For this depth, okay. For the hole, okay. For this value from here to here. See why I need right side view. I need to show 40 degree. Can I show it in the drawing here? Yes, I can show it from here to here. Why I need right side view? To show this value. What is this? 15, which is the same. Can I show it here? Yes. Why I need right side view? This value here, hole, I can see the hole here, I can see the hole here. I don't need the right side view. Okay, then I can apply dimension on the given view. As I said before, it's not necessary the dimensions are given this way to reflect it here. Okay, so let's start with total width. Okay, this value is 60. And then here you have 40, and here they should add 10 at least because it's not clear. Okay, so I will add 10, I will add 40, but you don't have to add another 10. I will draw one line. I will draw one line, and then I will divide the line between two dimensions like this, from here to here. Okay, so 10, 40. Okay, and the depth in this case you can do two things. You can draw from here to here line, or you can draw inside. I don't prefer to draw inside, I prefer to draw from here to here. Okay, so we'll drag like this. By the way, both of them are not recommended, but you have to find a place to put your 10. Okay, and then the total here is 20. Okay, then as we said, you can mention the total height, and you can mention the center of the circle also. Like this. If this one is incorrect as alignment, you have to be more careful to make it better, horizontal or vertical. Okay, so the total height is 75, and this value is almost 50. Okay, so we can draw the 45 from this area, here, and we can give center of dimension. We said it is 12.5. Okay, it is from this edge, from here to here, 12.5, and from here to here is 15. Okay, don't forget to add 2 leaders, one for this circle and one for this circle. 2 leaders, 1 leader for this circle, 1 leader for this circle. Phi, what's the diameter? 20. Then T H R U, through, all the way through. Here phi 10 T H R U. So, and also the center of the circle. You can give the center of the circle as an example from this area. Okay, from here to here, which is half of this 60. Okay, which is half. You don't have to do it if it's 30, but it will be preferred to do it. Don't forget to add this value from this side, which is 60. See, it is preferred to add all the dimension from one location. As an example for this one, 75, 50, all dimension from here, no dimension from, but for this edge, because this is from here it's taken, if you draw a line here, you will cross the circle, the leader, everything here, and you'll make miss. Okay, so you make 60 from this area only, and we need dimension from here to here. Since this one will cross the dimension, I can take the remaining like this, from here to here, and I will show you how this will be taken. What's the total value? 60. 60 minus 40 minus 45. 60 minus 45. Okay, so that's it. We finish from this dimension.